Yes, guys. The today's topic is real numbers. Your chapter number one. The chapter number one, real numbers. So anybody knows what is the meaning of the real number? Anybody knows the definition of the real numbers? In your IIT, the chapter number one is real numbers. So anybody knows that? What is the definition? Did you know that anything about the real numbers? Yes. Anybody?
Sir, the rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers.
Yes. Good. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Anything else? Anybody? Yeah, just note it down that this diagram, this flow chart. Everybody open your notebooks and note it down this. The real numbers. I will explain the later. First note it down this. Real numbers are divided into that two types. Real numbers are divided into how many types? Two types. Anybody knows that what is that? The type number one, rational numbers.
Irrational numbers.
Rational numbers. Can anybody knows the what is the symbol to indicate the rational numbers? Anybody
Q.
knows? Q. Yes, very good. Capital Q is indicated by that rational numbers. Can anybody tell me that what are the examples? For examples, -3, -2, 0. In between -1 is also there. I'm writing this simply 5/2, -1/3. These all are and etc. Yes or no? These are the rational numbers. Along with me, you also please note it down this. The second one, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So anybody tell me that what is the symbol to indicate the irrational numbers? Anybody? Yes, irrational numbers are indicated by the capital P. Irrational numbers are indicated by the what? Capital P. Irrational numbers means the numbers which are in the under root. The numbers which are in under root form, those numbers are called irrational numbers. Root 3 minus root 2, like that. Either root, positive root or negative root. Root 15. Irrational means the number should be that in terms of where in under root form, right? These are the irrational numbers. Again, these rational numbers are divided into the two types. Anybody knows that? The real numbers are categorized into two types, that is rational and irrational. Again, the rational numbers are categorized into two types. One is integers. One is integers. Integers are denoted by the Z, capital Z. And integers are what? Either, again, integers may define that.
Positive integers.
Yes, very good. And that integers, one more is non-integral rational numbers. Non-integral rational numbers. Yes, the example for the non-integral rational numbers, anybody knows that? -3/2, -2/3, 1/2. These are non-integral rational numbers. Now again, these integers are two types. These integers I can write. Are you copied? Shall I move the next paper?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Again, these integers is capital Z is indicated into two types. One is negative integers.
Positive integers.
Negative integers means what? The numbers. Can anybody know, sir, what is the symbol to indicate the negative integers? Z, Z power minus 1.
Before we will give minus.
And the second one is what? Whole numbers. Can anybody knows that? What is the number indicated as the whole numbers?
Double.
Yes, whole numbers are indicated by that W. And the
W.
whole numbers are starts from where? Whole numbers are,
0,
yes. Natural numbers,
1.
very good.
With 1.
And again that these whole numbers are two types. These whole numbers are how many types? Two types. In that, one is natural numbers and the number. One is natural number.
Yes, sir.
Natural numbers are indicated by the what? N. Natural numbers are starts from the 1, 2, 3, and so on. In the natural number, only positive that from starts from the 1. That to start from what? 1. And 0 is a what? Anybody knows that? What is the meaning of the 0? 0 is a single number. 0 is a what? Single number. Yes, please copy this. Please copy this. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope everybody knows that what the numbers, the natural numbers, whole numbers, yes or no? And do you know the fractions? Yes. Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Any doubts? Anybody knows that what is the meaning of the terminating and non-terminating numbers? Yes. Anybody knows that? Yeah, see that.
Yes.
Yes. If you have the textbook, see the page number 4. See the page number 4 and the point number 1.9. Point number 1.9. Yes. In that, rational numbers to be the terminating decimals. They are saying the definition is a what? Heading is rational numbers to be terminating decimals. Rational numbers to be terminating decimals. In that, they said that if a rational number that not a integer, rational number they are saying that but not a integer. What is the integers? What is the integers, guys? Integers are what? Other than fractions, the all are integers only. Other than fractions are called integers. Either expressed in the form of what? P by 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of m. If you express anything in this form, then the numbers are called terminating numbers. For example, now see that here the question is 7 by 250. For example, the given question is 7 by 250 is there. The given question, can you write in the form of p by 2 power n into 5 by 5 power m? Can you write this form in the form of this? Yes or no? If you are able to write in the form of this, then you can say that this is a what? Terminating. How can you decide that? The numerator is a what? P. Here P and here is a 7. 7 is equal to P. Means that if any number should be that one, only single number should be in the numerator. One number should be in the numerator, that is numerator. So 7 is equal. Now here is what? 250 is there. But I require that what? 2 to the power of something and 5 to the power of something. This number should you have to write in the form of this. For that, what to do, guys? Here, for example, 250 is there. First, 250 goes in 5 table or not? Yes. Now write in 5 table where 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Here remaining is what? 0. Right is 0. Now 5 into, yes, Pavani, check your internet. Mute your voice. Yes. No, 5 into Yes. Can I write 250 is equal to 5 into 50? Yes. Again, can I write this 50 is equal to 2 into 25? Yes.
Sir.
Again, 25 is a what? 5 5 is 25. Now see
Five
that.
five 20.
Yes. Here now see that how many 2's are there? Only one. Into how many 5's are there? 3 5's are there.
Three five.
Yes. Now can I write 250 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 3? Yes or no? Now
Yes.
our question is about, our question is, yes, yes, 7 by 250. This 250, 7 250 means, can I write 2 power 1 into 5 power 3? Yes. Now this my answer in the form of this or not? My answer in the form of p by 2 power n into 5 power m. Here my n value is a 1 and m value is 3. If you write any number given question in the form of this, then those numbers are called terminating numbers. Yes, terminating, it is a terminating decimal. You can say that it is a what? Terminating decimal. Now, in the same manner, I will give the one more question to you. Can you solve this question? For example, question is 9 by 160 is there. Now tell me that is a terminating number or not? Tell me that this is the terminating number or not? Yes. For solving of that, what to do, guys? We have to write in the form of p by 2 power n into 5 power m. Yes or no? Yes. So here my p value is how much? 9. Now so 160 can you write in the form, in which table it goes? If last number is 0, it will goes in 5 table. 5 3s are 15. The remaining number is how much? 1 0. 5 2s are 10. Yes or no? Yes. Here the factors of the 160 is what I got? 2 into 32. 2 into 32. Again, this 32 can I write in what? Sorry, this is not a 2, this is a 5. 5 into 32, 160. Again, this 32 in what table? 16 twos are. Yes or no? Otherwise, if you are good in the mathematics, if you are good in the calculation simplification, then you can write simply 32 is how much? 2 to the power of 5. If you multiply 2 5 times, you will get 32 only. Otherwise, if you are the first, you are the beginners, check again. 4 4s are, yes. Now again here, can I write 2 into 2 for this 4 and 2 into 2 for this 4. Now count how many 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5. Yes. Now here my answer is how much? 5 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 5. Now, if you are able to write this 160 in the form of this, then you can conclude that the given number is a what? Terminating decimal. You can write in terminating decimal. Now, after that, here there is a one question is there. Can you tell me that the answer for this question? Express solved examples. Question number 2. Express 17 by 8, 17 by 8 in decimal form. In what form? In decimal form. Yes, can anybody tell me that answer? First, can you tell me the answer, decimal form of this question? Yes, guys. So anybody ready to tell the answer? Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
17 by 2 to the power into 3 to the 3
What is the
square.
what is the question? Question is what, Nana? Write in decimal form, not in terminating form. If the terminating, your answer should be that p by 2 power something into 5 power something. But don't write here 3 power something. You have to write your answer 2 to the power of something and 5 to the power of something, but not 2 power 3 and here 7 power 6. Not like this. This number should be matched with the what? 5. This base should be that what? 5 only. Now tell me the decimal form. I hope everybody knows the decimal form. If you don't know the decimal form, just please go to the second class. Yes. Anybody? Hello. Yes, Lahari, Mohit Sai, Mohan Teja, Strella, Akshita.
Sir.
Yes, what is the answer?
Sir.
What is that answer?
2.125, sir.
What?
2.125.
Who is that?
Mohit Chai, sir.
Yes, 2.125, Nana. After point, you have to call 125, but not 125.
Okay, sir.
Right. The good. So here what to do? What he did? Can you explain, Mohisai, how you did?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we, sir, 17 by 8, na, sir. If we divide 17 with 8, means 8 to the 16, na, sir. 8 to the 16. 17 minus 16, it will be 1, na, sir. If we put point, we can take here 0, sir. 10, na, sir.
Yes.
8 ones are 8, sir. Again, it will be 10 minus 8, 2, sir. Already we took a point, so we can take again 0, sir.
Yes.
8
Good.
2s again 16, sir. It will be 4 again 0, 40. Sir, 8 5s are 40, sir. 0.
Very good, Nana. Yes. Now, the question number 1. Check whether out of these two numbers, 2 by 13 and one more number is 27 by 40. Out of these two numbers, which one is a terminating decimal? Out of these two, which one is a terminating decimal? Tell me that first. Terminating means your number should be that p to the power p by 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of n. If you are able to write in the form of this, then you can decide that number is a terminating decimal. If not, that number not a terminating number. Given fraction is not a terminating. Yes. Who will give the answer for this question? Yes.
Say again, sir.
Now see, the question is on the screen only. Write the question and tell me that out of these two, which one is a terminating, which one is a not terminating. Fast, quick.
Sir, 2 by 13 is a decimal. That's it.
What? 2 by 13 is a what?
Decimal.
Yeah, see, Nana, terminating. You read the word terminating. Yeah, pronounce once again. My question is, out of these two, which one is a terminating decimal?
Bookma.
Yes, terminating in the means what nana? Terminating అంటే ఏం చేయాలా? ఈ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్ని ఈ ఫామ్లో రాయగలిగితే దాన్ని టర్మినేటింగ్ అంటాం. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నంబర్ వాడిచ్చిన నంబర్ని ఈ ఫామ్లో రాయలేకపోతే దాన్ని టర్మినేటింగ్ కాదు అంటాం. దాన్ని నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్ అంటాం. ఫస్ట్ టర్మినేటింగ్ కావాలంటే న్యూమరేటర్ నంబర్ ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్ ఉండాలి. న్యూమరేటర్ ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? 2 అనేది ఉంది. అవునా కదా? ఎస్. నా గో ఫర్ ద డినామినేటర్. డినామినేటర్లో ఏం కావాలి నీకు? నంబరు ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్ కావాలి. ఆ నంబర్ని ఈ ఫామ్లో రాయగలగాలి. అంటే 2 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ రాయాలి, ఇంటూ 5 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ రాయాలి. మీకు ఒక షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్పనా? ఐఐటి షార్ట్ కట్. ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా 5 టేబుల్లో డివిజబుల్ కావాలి అంటే ఆ నెంబర్కి ఎండ్ యూనిట్ ప్లేస్లో ఐదర్ 5 అయినా ఉండాలా, లేకపోతే 0 అయినా ఉండాలి. అవునా కదా? ఎస్. అంటే ఈ రెండు నంబర్లు కనుక నంబర్లు కనుక లేకపోతే యూనిట్ ప్లేస్లో ఆ నెంబర్ 5 అనే టేబుల్లో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుందా? కాదు కదా? అంటే నేను 13ని ఏమని రాయాలి? 2 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ ఇంటూ 5 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ అని రాయాలి. కానీ ఈ విధంగా రాయగలనా? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ 13 అనేది ఏ నంబర్? ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ కి ఏమైనా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయా? ఉండదు. కాబట్టి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం క్వశ్చన్? నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్. దిస్ నాట్ ఏ టర్మినేటింగ్ నంబర్. అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు? Hello. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now go for
Sir.
yes. Now go for the second one. First, ఈ నంబరు న్యూమరేటర్ ఎంతో కొంత ఉండాలి, ఉంది. డినామినేటర్ ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్ ఉండాలి. ఆ నెంబరు ఫస్ట్ మీరు డిసైడ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటిది? 5 టేబుల్లో డివిజబుల్ అయ్యే నంబరా కాదా అని చూడండి. ఎస్. 40లో లాస్ట్ యూనిట్ ప్లేస్ నెంబర్ 0 కాబట్టి ఇది 5 టేబుల్లో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే నేను దీన్ని 5తో ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాయొచ్చు. 40ని 5తో ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏమని రాయొచ్చురా? 5 ఇంటూ 8. అవునా? 5 8 40. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అగైన్ దట్ నాకు ఆన్సర్లో ఒకటి 5 ఉండాలి, ఒకటి సాటిస్ఫైడ్, ఇంకొకటి ఏం కావాలి నాకు? 2 అనే నెంబర్ కావాలి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Second number should be that 2, not 8. I don't want 8 other than 2. I don't want any number other than 2. Right?
2 cube, sir.
Yes, very good.
2 cube is equals to 8.
This is the 2 cube, and here is a what? 5 power. Anything? How many 5s are there? Only 1 5. Right? The power is how much? 1. Now, can I write this is equal to 27 by 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 1. Yes. Now I can say that this question is a what question? Terminating decimal question. Copy the problem. Yes. Go for the next. Shall I go for the next? Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for the next one? Yeah, good. Now, question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Can you convert this number into fraction? The number is a decimal number 0.0035. Can you convert this number into fraction, guys? Fraction means, I hope everybody knows that it should be that numerator and denominator. Can you write in the form of this? This is D. Can you write this number in the form of this? Yes, fast, quick. Tell me the answer.
7 by 2000.
How? Do you have textbook, Nana? Who is that?
No, sir.
Yeah. What is your name? May I know your name, please?
Lahari, sir.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Here, your first job is a what? Here, point here numbers are what? 35. Here, 2 zeros are there. Just remove the point and other than 0. If the before that any number before the number 0 is there, then can you consider this
No
0?
value,
No.
sir.
No. Here, after point, how many number digits are there? Just count it. 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. Write 1 and write 4 zeros.
4 zeros.
And now cancel in what table? 5 table.
5 table.
Now cancel it in the 5 table. 5 sevens are 5 twos are 20. Remaining 3 zeros, copy the 3 zeros. So your final answer, can you cancel this 7 in 20 table? No. So your
No,
answer is 7 by 2000. 7 by
2000.
yes, this is the question. And the most and very important problem. Most important problem is this. Very good. Only 3 members are there. Excellent class. Yes, the superb question, excellent, is express 0.38 bar as a regular fraction. As a what? Regular fraction. Yes, anybody knows what is the answer for this question? Your IIT shortcut. First, I will tell you that your IIT shortcut is the answer for this question. X or Y anything is equal to 38 by 99. Your answer for this question is 38 by 99. For example, before that, I will solve the one more question. For the question is 0.712. Can anybody 0.712? The answer for that question is 712 by 999 is the answer. Or if the question is 0.835, for this, what is the answer? Can anybody guess that?
835 by 99.
Yeah.
990.
835 by 99.
How much?
Only 99.
How much? 835
835 by 99, sir.
Divided by
By
99.
99.
wrong answer.
Ah.
Wrong answer.
999, sir.
Yeah, I don't know that. You have to tell. Yes, just work on this. How you got the solution. So those who are regular, yeah, if you try guys, today you try that and tomorrow if you have any doubts on that, I will clarify. Either once check that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you have to work on this. You have to work and tell me the answer, exact answer for this question. And up to that,
Sir, 35 by, sir, 35 by 99, sir.
not. No. Answer is 835 minus 8 990 minus 9. Yeah, just
Yes, sir.
don't worry about that. Just work on this, try to get the knowledge and come back with the best of knowledge. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.
Okay, sir.
In the next class, please maintain your textbooks. If you have the textbooks, then my job is easy. You can understood more.